Hello everyone, I'm Gideon from Art, and I love to share with you how I create my graphic and photograph so you can learn or get inspired to create your own awesome work. Today I'm going to share with you how I use clipping mask to create this beautiful graphic. My last tutorial was about how I create this beautiful spider effect in Affinity Designer. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you to check it out. It's very cool and unique. I will put a link in the description below. Today I will use the same spiral effect, but as clipping mask background for an object. To use a layer as clipping mask, we must put it diagonally to the right under the layer we want to use as frame object. Let me show you what I mean. First, pick your move tool, select the layer you want to use as background layer, then drag and put it diagonally to the right under the frame object. In this case, the star object. Thanks to the clipping mask, the background objects apply only on the star object layer. Let me try it one more time. Make a quick art, pick your move tool, select your background object layer, then drag and put it diagonally to the right under the heart. This is how we can create a beautiful effect by using clipping mask in Affinity Designer. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and click on the bell icon because many more videos coming soon.